Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to win Apple bopping game in Trust and Press Halloween update to get secret reward. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can join free play mode in Trust and Press game on Roblox, and then you're going to go to this area, go out of the building, and then you can talk to this lady to buy a ticket. Okay, you will have three options guys, and you can choose one of them, and I recommend you to buy this one, tire 3 glowing candy, so your chance to get the secret item will be higher. Or you can buy the tire 1 or tire 2, it's up to you. And I'm just going to buy I have already bought this ticket guys, and I'm going to play the Apple bobbing game. Okay, I'm going to use my ticket. Okay, and get ready to play it. So you need to play it like this to win. Okay, make sure that you reach 100%. Okay, and you need to keep the apple in this arrow. Okay, just like this. Oops. Okay, just make it faster. Okay, it's almost 100%. Oops, 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 oops. Sorry. Okay, oops. Okay, and yeah, I got candy and also lantern. Yeah, not bad. But I hope that I can get the ghost dress. But yeah, I'm not lucky, so yeah, no worries. Okay guys, and that's how we can play the Apple bopping game in Trust and Press Halloween update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!